The school is located in the public estate and it is in Taiwan. About 1/3 of my students are the ASEAN students, and the parental support of the children are quite limited. About half of the family need the financial support from the government.
So this is what's going to happen. Media team is going to organize everything. Okay? Is everyone okay with it?
So we're here for the Splash project to build the playground for Salvation Army School.
And for our purpose, we want to experience the leadership and the teamwork.
The teams will be assigned by lottery system.
It's a community outreach project where we want to put them in a situation that is not too comfortable, where they have to learn about oneself and the team and to give back to the local community. Difficult situations can be a great learning tool on a personal level and on a professional level.
The construction that built can let the children have more fun in their studies and also to enrich their life in the school. Under the contribution of CUHK MBA students and the SPACE projects, the children can find that many people in the world love them and are willing to give care and concern to them.
This is my first time to build something. We are not the experts.
So yesterday I was kind of scared that we would all kind of argue and like get into our own little groups. But today it turned out really well and everybody's helping everybody. So, and we're doing it for the kids, so that's great.
We had difficulties to assign each task to each group, but we have chosen one leader group and now I think it worked out quite well now, yeah.
No one had any idea how to do this, so we just figured it out. For the first half an hour we were really slow.
We stay with our own team, but actually we have to work as a big team.
It's just really amazing how CUHK students from 15 different countries, despite language barriers, cultural barriers, we are working very efficiently.
Oh well, right now I'm really tired, but it's an amazing feeling doing such things, yeah?
It's so hard, but it's so fun.
We are very happy that what we had planned, we have achieved the target well before the time. So now we are actually accomplishing over the target. We should have this kind of exercise maybe one time more because it's really exciting.
But again, it was fun doing it. So I don't consider anything as difficult. It was fun.
Exactly. So guys, a big round of applause to you guys. You guys were brilliant, like amazing.
I'm a project director for construction works.
This project is big, it needs a leader, but it also needs a lot of managers to execute.
Fire so hot. Yeah, but I really like it.
Today there will be a handover ceremony and some of the students and parents will come to join this ceremony. I'm sure when they see the train, they will feel very excited. In the future, they are very happy to come to school because they can have more space to play and they can learn here in the construction. They will find going to school is very excited and full of enjoyment.
Be a good builder and a planner.
organized mess. I think it looks like you guys are going to pull through.
David 大家同學仔咧都見到學有啲嘢唔同咗喎，係咪？點解會有呢啲嘢咧？因為有啲人好錫你哋。
I'd like to thank the CUHK participants. We met each other 48 hours ago, and goodness, we've been on some journey in that short time. You're the guys that put the hard work in.
奏出高唱，漫遊主宰，是你恩典、寬恕、憐憫，讓我看見雨後有彩虹。雲彩天空，一起歡呼，諸天唱和全因你，讓我感恩，思想你大愛，流淚撒種必歡呼收割。